August 1947, the day when India finally got the freedom from the clutches of the British rule after about 200 years of slavery. Well, India May Independence Day is a national public holiday celebrated across all the states of the nation. Well, did you know that the first Indian national flag was hoisted on August 7, 1906 at Parsi Bagan Square in Kolkata? Yes, you heard it right. Well, this flag had three major colors, namely red, yellow and green, with Vande Mataram written in between. Now, you would be shocked to know that Mahatma Gandhi could not celebrate the first Independence Day. ऐसा क्यों? आइए आपको बताते हैं. Well, the father of the nation was away from the celebrations because he was on a hunger strike to end the Hindu-Muslim riots happening in Bengal. Another interesting fact that will surprise you is the origin of the tricolor flag. The tricolor flag, जो कि भारत का national flag है, it is based on the Swaraj flag, which was developed by a freedom fighter, Pingali Venkaya, who was a farmer from Machilipatnam. Well, moving on, did you know that India's national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was adopted 3 years after the independence? Well, let us tell you that India did not have an official national anthem at the time of independence. Although Jana Gana Mana को साल 1911 में लिखा जा चुका था. However, it was adopted officially and accorded the status as the national anthem of India on January 24, 1950. Well, क्या आपको पता है कि Independence Day के celebration के लिए 15th अगस्त को ही क्यों चुना गया था? It was Lord Mountbatten, the last Viceroy and the first Governor General of the country, who chose August 15 to declare the Independence Day of India. He was given the powers by the British Parliament to transfer the power to Indians by June 1948. However, he preponed it to August 15, 1947 to avoid bloodshed and riots. It is said that he chose this day since the date also commemorates with the secondary anniversary of Japan surrendering to Allied forces. Another interesting fact about 15th August is that other than India, 5 other countries also celebrate Independence Day on August 15. These countries include Bahrain, North Korea, South Korea, Republic of Congo and Liechtenstein. Well, these were some of the interesting facts about 15th of August. Midday wishes you a very happy Independence Day.
Your window to India and the world. Midday. Local Pulse, Global Perspective.